Alright guys, this is my 52-inch Olympia branded Medalyst Builder Fan ceiling fan. Olympia is a local company that creates decent quality ceiling fans actually. This particular one is from 1989. It is 4 or 5 blade adaptable, and as you can see, the biggest change is it has a new light kit, but I also did some stuff in the internal. We cut a bigger hole in the ceiling and put that big 4-inch box in there, so it's secured and tight. Does still have a bit of a wobble, it's okay. Here's what the old box looked like. There's one of those screw holder things bent, but it's secured up there now, and yeah, so start with the light. It's running a Philips Slim style light. We're gonna get it upgraded to a Cree once we get to Home Depot. And this has a plastic globe, and there you go. So it's really nice. This is my parents' bedroom here. I swapped the scratched up blade for a non-scratched one since we're only using 4 blades out of a set of 5. And I'll start it up on low for you. We did a longer chain for the light. Now we can safely run it without having to worry about it coming down, because it is as tight as can be, and the mounting bracket does not move at all. Like, it doesn't sway. The fan itself, since it's on such a long down rod, it can still wobble. So, but it's just only because of the long down rod, that's all. So, and that was my mom.
You crushed me.
She just put her finger in front of the camera.
It hurt.
Oh, you put your finger.
You're in my room. How am I supposed to know not to go in there?
The door is closed. It wasn't before.
But it's still my room. What are you doing in there?
I'm doing a video, an update video on it. That's part of what I do. And medium. Blows a lot of good air
You
too.
punched him at a weird angle.
Sorry.
No, it's not funny. It's not funny.
Feels really good. It's air movement. It's wobbling a bit. That is a rather fast or medium speed. Normally it's high for some fans, like a Littleton or something. And now high speed. So yeah. I'm afraid the globe might come off sometime. And this thing is extremely fast. It is a very powerful bugger here. It is extremely fast. Like, that is... It's kind of like a Casablanca fan, honestly. But it's a local Dallas area company. I know a few collectors that have seen other installs of these in other places, and I remember seeing this fan's twin at Habitat, but it got bought. Someone purchased it, so I have this one. This was my first purchased fan from Habitat, and yeah, so it used to be my room. Now it's installed in the master bedroom, and it looks really nice with the globe light kit. I hope you guys like this look, especially the 4 blades too. It looks really nice. I would love to shorten the down rod sometime and get a smaller one, because it is fairly low for this room. It's definitely below the 7-foot clearance requirements, which I can get it up to code really soon, although no one's bonked their head because no one comes in here that's taller than my dad, so. And my dad can go under the blades without hurting himself, so it's been fun so far. And I have to fix my brother's Quorum Galaxy now, because that was having problems too, so thank you for